What a beautiful sunny day today it is. Today we are in High Bridge, New Jersey. We are heading over to Lake Solitude Waterfall. We are on some nice back roads right now. I mean, they got some cool little twisties. It's very narrow and you can't go too fast. This is all pretty much still residential in the back roads. So I found this location on the internet. It's a side road kind of attraction, I guess. I don't know. A few other bikers have had showcased it in their videos and some motor blogging on the internet. I'm just looking stuff up on the internet, for places for you guys to come and visit. I know there are some riders out there that just got bikes. They don't know where to go. They don't really have rider friends or anything like that. So I'm putting a location series together, as you've seen my other videos, showcasing some eateries, and I'm still making other stops to other places, and I'm trying to bring them to you so you don't have to do all the work, and I'm already doing it for you. I can't say enough about the riding in this back road. I mean, look at the road. It's gorgeous. I mean, look at that. Tree lined. And what better than on a beautiful sunny day? I mean, wow. Look at the sun is out. Wow. I just can't. Oh, what is that? Oh, look at that. Pedestrian bridge, maybe a path. So High Bridge Falls has a lake. It's pretty big, and from what I saw in the Google photos on maps, they actually have people swimming. Oh, this is nice. Look at this little bridge. What is this cop doing here? Oh, that is the road I was supposed to come down. They had it blocked. I think it was the 513. It was blocked off about 5 miles back, and I had to take alternate routes coming to this location. Right here where I'm at now, and they're doing bridge work. That's what it was. Back to what I was saying about this High Bridge Falls here. The dam was built back in 1909. They call it an I-beam dam. Supposedly it was built to power a iron and steel company that was operating in the area there. Well, I didn't come here for a history lesson, so I came here for the scenic view and check out this nice looking thing according to the pictures. So I'm going to see for myself, and you too. You will get to see what I see. This is such a scenic road. Look at this. I mean, I'm following this river here, and it's supposed to lead me to where I'm going, to the High Bridge Falls Dam and Waterfall, to be exact. I don't know about you guys, you riders out there, but me, I have to get out of the city and come to places like this, riding on these nice secluded roads, all tree lined and everything, vegetation everywhere, and the sun beaming down at you through the trees. I mean, that is really gorgeous. I mean, city riding is just not for me. I have to leave the city. I cannot stay in the city. It's just too crazy. Okay, my GPS is telling me we're almost there. Should be right up ahead. Yep, here we are. Alright. Okay, now we need to know where we're gonna park. that little parking area seems to be a little bit gravelly. Hey, what's up? Welcome to another episode of On the Other Side of the Road. We're over at High Bridge Falls, New Jersey, where there's an awesome display of waterworks right here. Check out that scene. Came down here, I found it online. It was one of those SideRoad attractions, and I saw some photos online, and I needed to come here myself and view it so I can show you guys what I'm looking at here. So I hope you enjoy it. It's beautiful. It's easy to park. There's a road right up ahead, up at the top up there. I'll show you that on the map. If anything, I'll put it down in the description how to get there. Just a little spot where you could park and everything. Your bike shouldn't have a problem. You could park right on the side of the road and walk in, and this is where you'll end up right here, right behind me. Check it out, man. Man, this is like impressive. I can feel the mist coming off that water right into my face here. On a hot day, man, this will be great. Wow, you can take off your clothes, get in your underwear. Why not, right? Yeah, hang out here. Look, you can dip your feet in there. It's pretty low all the way over there. And check it out, man. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. Yeah, look at this. All low stream right here. You can probably walk across. Look at that. That guy knows what he's doing. He's swinging that thing like a pro. Look at that. We found a baby deer. Arlene noticed a baby deer hiding over here at a little tiny little stream over there, and it's by itself. Where's the mommy?
Do you really want to find mommy? They could crash you because you're near the baby?
Where's the mommy at? Hey there.
Bye.
Well, my friends, that was an experience. That was beautiful stuff. I mean, you guys are going to have to come down and see it for yourself. I'll repeat myself again. I can't say more about this place. I mean, it is gorgeous down here. And, you know, this is what touring on a Harley Davidson is all about. Coming down through these back roads, having a good time, beautiful sunny day. What more can you ask for? And we got to see nature in action. A baby deer, a fawn. I hope that you enjoyed this video, this location. I want you to come down, bring your lady over. I'm sure you'll have a nice little romantic moment together. As well as your riding buddies, you all can go there and hang out and chit-chat it up all day there. It's all about the camaraderie. I am going to sign out now, and like always, rubber down, be safe. If you like this channel, support it. I'll be bringing more locations to you in the future. Please subscribe, make a donation if you'd like. You know, it'll pay for all these little adventures that I'm gonna be recording. Peace Peace and love to all of you.